Do you have a sink stopper that just won't stay closed, or if you pull the lever, nothing happens? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that, and it's going to take you less than a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First, let me show you how these stoppers are put together. Here's a complete setup. The white thing is supposed to be a sink, and you can see everything else. Let's take the faucet and the sink away and look just at the stopper parts. First thing we're going to put in is the stopper, and then this thing is called the pivot rod. It's what raises and lowers the stopper. And this is the nut that holds it in place. Basically, it creates friction by pushing against that ball so that when you pull the lever up or push it down, the stopper will stay in place. And the rest of this is the mechanism that the lever's attached to so that when you pull up on it, the pivot rod can move up or down. And this screw lets you adjust the height of the lever above the faucet. So here you can see the whole thing operating together with the lever going up, the stopper goes down, and vice versa. So that's how all this works together. So there's two common problems with these stoppers. The first one occurs when you pull the lever and nothing at all happens with the stopper. And that's an easy fix. It's just a matter of tightening that screw that I'm showing you here. And once you tighten it, that should fix the problem. And the second problem is the one that I showed you at the beginning of the video. I pull the lever up and it just falls down and the stopper won't stay closed. And again, that's an easy fix. You just need to tighten the nut there underneath the sink so it can put a little more friction on that ball and hold the stopper in place. Let's take a quick look under this sink. First, let me take this nut off to show you what's in there. Here you see the little ball, and the nut will just push on that, and that's what gives the little bit of resistance and holds that stopper in place. So let's put this nut on and tighten it up. And now look, this pivot rod stays wherever I move it to, and that's how simple it is to fix this problem. It's something that just about anybody can do in a couple of minutes. And that's all you have to do. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.